How's it going? How are you? Hi guys, welcome to another video. This week I'm just kind of getting myself together. It's March 2nd. It's springtime and I'm just really excited. And I want to get my life. I've been seeing like those vlogs where girls take you throughout their whole like maintenance week and stuff, and I don't have anything extravagant. I literally do everything myself, but I thought it might be interesting. I'm about to shampoo and clean my hair. I'm doing a wash and go. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and get in the shower and shampoo, co-wash. The only reason I'm shampooing is because I have a lot of gel in my hair, but I am gonna co-wash and apply my leave-in in the shower. Sorry if the camera's like all over the place. Apply my leave-in in the shower, and I will be out of the shower to show y'all the products that I'm using to style my hair for the wash and go. Okay. I applied my leave-in. I used that Briogeo leave-in. I'm going to use the Jael Organics Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard, and I'm going to pair it with the Wetline, the new Wetline gel. I'm using this for the first time, the new one, and also Wetline Extreme Gel in general for wash and go. Haven't done that. This would be a nice cute wash and go. And then next week I'm actually going to put some Marley Twist in, so I'm kind of excited about that. So I'm going to split my hair into 4, and I'm just going to apply the product, honestly. After I finished my hair, I did some cleaning, did some vacuuming, and then I sat under the dryer for about an hour. But this is what it looks like. If y'all were curious. Okay, battery died. Kind of disrespectful. Okay, here we are. It looks really good. Like, I'm gonna wash and go in a minute, few months, and this is just like sat under the dryer, fully shrunken to the capacity that it can, although I'm pretty sure the gel is weighing it down some, but like this is just shrunken. Like, I like it. Like, I don't feel too disrespected, you know. I don't know, it was a successful wash day. I'm done, and it's still daylight outside, and I started at 1 o'clock. Like, come on. I did order some stuff from Amazon. And I bought some stuff for my eyebrows because I do tint them sometimes. I just don't do it regularly or keep them done regularly. I want to start doing that, and I'm also going to start doing individual lash, like DIY lash extensions, individual lashes again. I used to love doing them in like high school and like right after I graduated high school, and then I kind of stopped because I was just buying lashes and like strip lashes. And I've also been going back and forth between getting lash extensions or not, this and that. I bought some whitening strips from Amazon. I just bought them on there because I was buying some other stuff. But every time I go to Target, I'm like, I want to whiten my teeth, I want to whiten my teeth, because I know like they can make your teeth sensitive, but I just thought I'd give it a shot. Let's see. Yes, I bought some new nail tips, some full cover nail tips for my press-ons and stuff. I wanted a different shape. So these are kind of cute. What else did I get? An airbrush kit thingy machine, because I want to do like airbrush nails, and so I'm really excited to try that. I'm actually doing my nails for this video, so you won't see the process because I'm actually going to film my first nail tutorial. Well, actually, I almost told my secret. I'm going to film my nails and to make another video. It's just like a little airbrush kit. Tomorrow I'm getting a pedicure. I'm going to get my feet done. I probably paid too much for these now that I'm realizing, but it's fine. I found a hack under one of the comments. So I got some individual lash extensions, and I also got like, whoa, some like lash extension lashes. And then I also got like a lash extension kit thing, even though I don't need all of this. Like it came with like little glue things and like a tweezer set and some tape and stuff. I'll see y'all for the next thing, and I'll probably be doing my toes. Today's actually Wednesday, and I'm doing my lashes right now. I don't have my contacts in, so I need to put my glasses on. But I have one eye done. These are I've done this eye, and this is like my DIY lash extensions. Yeah, I'm just gonna apply the rest, and I'll show you what they look like when I'm done. Next I'm gonna do is my eyebrows, and I need to like clean them up and stuff. I am gonna be tinting them this week. Okay, so I'm going to be tinting my eyebrows with this. This is the Just for Man Mustache and Beard Lemonade Gray. It's like a dye for face, which is why people use it for their eyebrows. I started doing this maybe like a year or so ago. Just be careful in general, you know. A squirt like that. Like that. I think you do equal parts. Wipe off some of it in the front because I don't want it to be too dark. I was trying to figure out, it's like 4:30 or something, and I was trying to figure out if I wanted to like take myself out on a date, or if I wanted to like go get the food and stuff and then come home and watch a movie. I think I'm gonna do the second, the latter, just because I want to finish setting up my phone. I have it, like I've been like using it, but I haven't put my SIM card in, and I haven't like transferred all my stuff, just because like I don't want all my stuff on my phone now to be on that one. Like I want to delete pictures and stuff. So yeah, I'm just getting ready. I just took my hair down, and I really like it. Like it's getting even cuter, but for some reason it's flaking again. Like I have never done a wash and go and it didn't flake, and like the flakes weren't that bad on the first days, but now it's really bad, and it's like all over me, and you can't even see them, but it's like all on my body. Okay, I don't remember what I was saying, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the whitening strips now. And yeah, these are the Crest 3D white no slip white strips, Vivid Plus. Don't lie. I can really use you. anything on it. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed now. Alrighty, today's Thursday, and I think this is gonna be the last day of this video, last day of my self-care and maintenance week. I kind of just want to finish everything up. The last thing that I'm going to be doing are some face masks, and I just wanted to show y'all what I was going to do in my nails. I'm going to do later on today. I'll show y'all what my nails look like, but I'm actually filming a whole video for it, so I'm not going to show y'all like the whole process in this video. So yeah, it is like I'm feeling a little slow this morning, but I did want to show y'all like these are my eyebrows the next day. Like it fades, the tint fades a little bit, and then my lashes, and then like all I need is some lip gloss and I'm good to go. And that's why I really just like doing lashes and eyebrows like consistently, because it makes a difference. And then I have some tea. I had some tea last night because I went and got vegan pizza, so I just am reusing the cup. I did the teeth whitening, and like right when you take it off, like you really can't tell a difference, but now the next morning I feel like I can. Okay, so for face masks, the ones that I have been doing more consistently lately, if I'm doing like a true face mask, I have this, the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, and I bought this big thing maybe over a year ago, and I'm about halfway done, and I've used this on my skin and on my hair, and it lasts a long time, because like especially for just your face, you don't need that much. And I will usually mix it with something, so sometimes I'll mix it with turmeric, and that makes more of like a brightening face mask, or I have activated charcoal, and that makes more of a detoxifying face mask. So that's like when I'm doing clay masks. And I usually do water, but I was just reminded by one of y'all to use apple cider vinegar, and I completely forgot about apple cider vinegar. So sometimes I'll do that, and when I've done use it for my hair, that's what I do. And if you do that, you mix it in a plastic bowl, not a metal, because of the reaction and stuff. And then if I'm doing something more quick, I have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydro Gel Mask, and that's like, I think I'm gonna do both today, just because I'm feeling like my stomach is hurting, I have cramps, so I'm just chilling today. I have like a lot of plans, but I'm just moving slow, so we'll see. So I usually like literally mix it in the top like that much, and I have like a brush that I use it for. I'm going to do charcoal today, and you can look up on Pinterest like a whole bunch of different things to add to this clay. Like the clay is a really good base to have. I got this from my beauty supply. I get everything from the beauty supply, but you can get it from, I think they have them everywhere now. It's a little bit more popular. I think I got this maybe $5, maybe 10, I don't know, I can't see it anymore. So yeah, I'm just going to take like a little spoonful of it and add it, and then I'm going to mix in some water. And you also only need like a few drops of water, because you don't want it to be too liquidy, like literally like a few drops. I have in the past made like big batches of face masks, and like you can make a batch of it and keep it in the refrigerator. I still have it on my Instagram, and people still ask me about it, and I completely forget it's there most of the time. But you can add like essential oils like lavender and stuff, just to make them even more like relaxing and therapeutic if you need to. But usually like on a daily basis I do this. I probably will make a batch of it soon. It would be like good, like if you have one of those like mini beauty refrigerators for your bathroom, and then you can keep your homemade face mask in it. That'd be real cute. I'm gonna do that. Okay, and I'm just going to apply it, and I'm gonna do, oh yeah, that's pretty good. Like that, and then I'm just gonna let it dry. Drink my tea. Smells good. Okay. The camera looks really good. Oh my gosh. Let's see. So normally, like, my skin is drier, so that usually sucks everything out of my skin. So I have to make sure to properly moisturize after one of those clay masks. But today, since I'm gonna do this should help with that. Or else usually I'll do like a few moisturizers because my skin is kind of dry. Okay, now I'm just gonna let this one sit. Here are my nails. I was going for like a jewelry look, and I did black because I got my toenails black, so I wanted something to match. So yeah, I've done my nails, my lashes, my hair, and I hope y'all are doing well. I hope you have a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.